చెప్పండి.
హాయ్ చిన్న, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ. అమ్మా 40th బర్త్డేకి మాకు హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. నువ్వు ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో బర్త్డేలు చేసుకొని ఆరోగ్యాలతో అష్టైశ్వర్యాలతో భోగభాగ్యాలతో నువ్వు ఉండాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఆ దేవుడిని దీవిస్తాడు. మా దీవెనలు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి, మా దీవెనలు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి.
మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. 40th బర్త్డే చిన్న, ఇలాగ ఎన్నో హ్యాపీ బర్త్డేలు చేసుకోవాలని, ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యాలుగా ఉండాలని, మా దీవెనలు ఎప్పుడూ ఉండాలని నా కోరిక, నాన్న కోరిక. మీరు చెప్పండి.
ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యాలతో, అష్ట ఐశ్వర్యాలతో, భోగభాగ్యాలతో మంచి జీవితం నీకు ఉండాలని ఆ భగవంతుని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. దేవుళ్ళు.
Good morning and many more happy returns of the day. We wish you very happy, prosperous and blissful birthday. God bless you with health, wealth, prosperity and long life. ఇలాంటి పుట్టినరోజు ఎన్నో పిల్లలు, పాపలు, మనవళ్ళు, మనవరాలతో దీర్ఘ సుమంగళిగా ఉంటూ జరుపుకోవాలి. 50th బర్త్డే మనం గ్రాండ్గా జరుపుకుందాం, సెలబ్రేట్ చేద్దాం. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
అమ్మా విను, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ రా. మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు తల్లి. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అమ్మా. ఇలాంటి పుట్టినరోజులు ఎన్నో నిండు నూరేళ్ళు ఆనందంగా, ఆరోగ్యంగా, దీర్ఘ సుమంగళిగా పిల్ల పాపలతో, మనవళ్ళు మనవరాళ్లతో జరుపుకోవాలని భగవంతుడిని కోరుకుంటున్నాను తల్లి. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అమ్మా. నీ 50వ పుట్టినరోజు మనం అందరం కలిసి చేసుకుందాం. బాయ్ తల్లి, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
డియర్ వినా, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు తల్లి.
Many happy of the day. Wishing you a happy 20th birthday and hope you get younger by the year. Bye.
Tomorrow you are going to turn 20 years old. I wish you a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Many happy returns of the day,
Chintu. Let's sing. जन्मदिनमिदं ऐ प्रिय सखे, जन्मदिनमिदं ऐ प्रिय सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्. Hi China, welcome to the 40s Club. Really enjoy your special birthday today. We all wish you the most wonderful and special day. Always keep smiling as always, and keep everyone else around you smiling and happy. So enjoy your day.
Hey Chintu, 40 సంవత్సర జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇదిగో నీ కోసం మైసూర్ పాక్. ఇలాంటివి నువ్వు మరెన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని ఆశిస్తూ ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ డే. బాయ్.
Happy birthday, Penny. Thank you for being such a good role model and always being there for me throughout all my 17 years of life. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Penny. I hope you're having a very good birthday. Many happy returns of the day. This is a very special day, so enjoy it.
Happy birthday, Anna. We love you. Mwah.
Hi, Vina. Many happy returns of the day. Have lots of fun.
Hey Vina, happy birthday. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Here's wishing you a very happy and eventful year ahead. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi Vina. Hi. Happy birthday.
Hi Veena, how are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to Veena. Veena, God bless you with long happy life. May God bless you. Have a long, happy, healthy life. Be happy, cheerful, and enjoy your life with your daughter and with your husband and with your family, friends, and everything. Enjoy your day. Have a great, great day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vinna. I know it's a big one. Welcome to the 40s and have a blast of the decade ahead. Wish you all the very best. Bye.
Hi Vinna, happy birthday, happy 40th, welcome to the 40s. Life only gets way better from here and I'm hoping to see you real soon. Happy birthday, have a wonderful day, year and life ahead and we'll meet up soon. Happy birthday. Hi Vinna, Shantaka sort of stole everything I meant to say, but anyways, have a great day and an awesome life ahead. Vinna, you're in great hands with Kiran and Anushka, so I'm sure you're going to age beautifully and gracefully. So welcome to the 40s and have an awesome birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vinu.
Hi, happy birthday Veenu. 40th birthday బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చెయ్యి. మళ్ళీ 50th birthday, 60th birthday బాగా చేసుకో.
Happy birthday, Vinu. Have a great year.
Happy birthday Veenu from Akila.
Happy birthday, Vinu from Hasita. Happy birthday, Vinu from Veena.
Hi Nilima, happy birthday. Wishing you lots of happiness, peace, success and good health always. I remember the first time I had met you in Gopalpur, that was at a mess function and I had an instant liking to you, especially your smile, you know. And today, after knowing you for almost 6 years, I can say that you are a complete woman who has looked after her home and brought up her beautiful child Anushka in such a refined and a pleasant way. And I love the way you handle, you always manage to look after both sets of parents also in such a good manner. And I can say that you have not only made a balance between your career and contributed so well to the Fauji organization in so many activities which I happen to see with my own eyes, you know, and which I'm sure you must be doing now also. And the best thing which I like about is how you remain fit. In fact, it is a motivational thing for me too, you know. And I love the badminton matches which we used to play at Gopalpur. And and such a nice day, you know. I am so happy that I could wish you on your birthday. And wishing you, Sai Kiran, Anushka, all the very best in life. And stay safe. Have a great life. God bless you. Bye.
परिपूर्ण मैडम जी, जन्मदिन के बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। भगवान करे आप अपना ऐसा 16वां जन्मदिन हर साल 16 बार मनाते रहें। नीलिमा, you have been a true alchemist here, radiating positivity and perseverance for everybody around you. Let that aura be with you always and every time, and keep smiling always. See you soon in Delhi here. I have been missing your South Indians and prawns like hell. Have a great day. Have a wonderful birthday.
Good evening, Nilima auntie. This is Anvi here. Happy returns of the day. You will celebrate your birthday in Ludhiana and we will have cake here. See you soon in Delhi. Good evening, Nilima auntie. This is Ansi here. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Nilima. Wish you a very happy birthday. You have been a wonderful lady. Always have a lovely smile on your face and wherever you go you always spread happiness, so keep smiling and keep spreading happiness. We all love you and God bless you.
Nilima, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, dear.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday dear नीलिमा, Happy birthday my friend। मेरी तरफ से बर्थडे की बहुत 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 शुभकामनाएं। आई विश मैं तेरे साथ होती और हम खूब इंजॉय करते, पर कोई ना, मन से तो हम साथ ही हैं ना। पर आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि तू मेरे साथ है, तू मेरी दोस्त है और हमेशा मेरे लिए होती है जहाँ पर एक फ्रेंड की ज़रूरत होती है। ऐसे ही हमारी दोस्ती चलती रहे और हमारा प्यार बढ़ता रहे। विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Birthday, ma'am.
Sai,
How are you? Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am.
wish you many happy returns, and we wish we would have been there with you for all these celebrations, and we miss you so often, and you're truly inspiring person to all of us. Keep rocking, be happy, stay healthy, and wish you many more to come.
God bless you, ma'am.
And we wish we'll meet you soon, and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Many happy returns of the day to our golden girl. Many happy returns of the day to our golden girl. Many happy returns of the day to our golden girl. 40వ వసంతంలోకి అడుగు పెడుతున్న శుభ సందర్భంలో నీకు, కిరణ్కి, అనుష్కకి మా శుభాకాంక్షలు, శుభాశీస్సులు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Hi Ka, many more happy returns of the day. We wish you have a wonderful year. From Rajesh and family.
Hi Nilima, happy 2 scores for you. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with long and a happy life. Stay happy, stay beautiful. I wish I could be there in person to wish you, but eagerly waiting for you to come here so that we can celebrate, enjoy your day and have fun. Happy birthday once again.
Hi auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday. May this birthday bring you a lot of happiness and good health, and I would have really wished to be there to have celebrated your birthday, but we're eagerly waiting for you to come, and we'll continue the celebrations once you come. Wishing you a very happy birthday once again.
Happiest birthday, auntie. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. I wish you all the happiness, and I just wanted to thank you for being the person I look up to, and you'll always be the person I look up to. So thank you for giving me that. And I love you. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nilima aunty. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Mrs. Aikiran. Wish you very happy birthday. Many more to come.
Good morning, ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday. Many more to come, and have a great year ahead.
Good morning, auntie. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi sister, happy birthday Nilima, and wish you a very excellent tenure at Delhi. Bye bye.
Namastumanjali Nilima garu.
Nilima, you are a wonderful person. You are intelligent, dedicated, smart and a great friend.
Nilima garu, people might be telling you all these things. They are of course true. What I think of you is you're authentic, you're compassionate, you're altruistic and a great human being. Somehow we always thought of you as a warrior princess like Rudram Devi and Nilima Devi types. We wish you a very happy birthday. People would have written wrong numbers on that cake. Don't believe that. Wish you a happy 30th birthday. God bless.
Hi Vinaka, many more happy returns of the day. You are the most beautiful and charming person of the family. Tanu say
Hi Vinaka, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vinaka. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Vinaka.
Happy birthday Didi.
मौसम नदी का किनारा चलता हवा राते मौसम नदी का किनारा चलता
Hi Vina, wish you a happy birthday. Let your days pass like dreams and nights like weddings. Wish you all the best.
మీనా పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు ఎల్లప్పుడూ సుఖంగా హాయిగా సంతోషంగా ఉండు.
Hey Vinaka, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
We miss you.
హాయ్ వినాయక.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
వినయ్ నువ్వు ఎలా ఉన్నావో అలాగే ఉండాలి. 40 years ఏంటి 80 years ఏంటి 100 years దాకా కూడా అలాగే ఉండాలి. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. ఆల్వేస్ కీప్ స్మైలింగ్ ద వే యూ డూ అక్క.
ఎప్పుడు నవ్వుతూ ఉండాలి.
Happy birthday once again.
Now we have a very special person who came to our house to wish you a very happy birthday. Let's meet with him.
Quite frankly, I think this is all fake news. All of it. Your birthday is fake news. You're not turning 40, you're turning 20. Honestly, this is all fake news. I don't know what they're talking about.